Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make grass terrain using polymer clay. As always, I'm using Papa's clay. To get started, just combine a few different colors of green and cut out the shape you want. Then start poking your clay. You can experiment with pulling up more or less of the clay to get the texture you want. In mine, I'm pulling up a fair amount of clay in addition to just poking it. Once you're done, you can bake your clay, but it's not necessary. Papa's clay does not need to be baked before it's painted, it's just a matter of personal preference. Next, get some green paint and dilute it a lot to start adding depth. I did not dilute mine enough, so it covered up some of the other colors in the clay I originally had. But apply that to your grass and try really hard to get it to crevices to help add some shadows. Let this dry, then get a dry brush and a lighter color green. Very delicately, brush on the lighter part in different areas of your grass, because a little bit goes a long way. Let this dry. And finally, get a very yellow light color and repeat the previous step with a yellow color. Now your grass texture is all done, you can start adding all the other fun details to make your project complete. So thanks very much for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.